The pandemic has been stressful for the whole world, really, in a variety of ways. And part of it is wondering if you've actually caught COVID every time you don't feel well.
Yeah, it's not a good feeling. And if you have allergies, this can be a real headache as well. CBS 4's Bobeth Yates explains.
Since the pandemic, many of us have been hypersensitive. So when someone coughs or sneezes, the first thing we think is the coronavirus. But doctors say it could just be pollen from trees and allergies from the environment.
Allergy season did not go away because of COVID.
Nurse practitioner Elise Rowland says the pollen count has been higher than normal. And as a result, the CVS Minute Clinic where she works has seen an increase in patients confusing allergy symptoms with the coronavirus.
People are worried because I think the first sign of having any cold-like symptom, you don't know whether it's COVID or whether it's allergies.
Axel Pantaleon is among them.
I was worried at first that it was COVID, but I ended up getting tested, so it worked out well.
Marta Samanero also has extreme allergies.
You really feel like you're out of breath because everything's so congested, and then, you know, your watery eyes and everything. If the symptoms are that severe that you actually start to feel like the lungs being affected, for certain, you can actually mistake it.
According to officials, the symptom similarities between allergies and coronavirus include coughing, fatigue, headaches, congestion, and runny nose. But they say there are clear differences for those with coronavirus.
The part that starts to really now kind of separate them is going to be coughing, fever, body aches, GI symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting, nausea, any shortness of breath is definitely going to be along the lines of COVID.
Officials say if you're unsure if you have the coronavirus or allergies, you should get tested. And Minute Clinic officials say some things you can do to decrease your allergy symptoms include changing your clothes and shoes as soon as you get home and changing your air filter often. Bobeth Yates, CBS 4 News.